All right, guys. So today I got another upper body thing that you can do. Another weight that you can do at home if you have it. I'm not going to be showing you the seated row because that's what we already did that already. But now I'm going to show you the lat pull down right up there. I think some of you guys have been wondering about why I haven't trained you guys how to do that yet. So that's why I'm going to be showing you guys today. But before we get into it, make sure you smash that like button and don't forget to click that subscribe button, and let's get straight into it. So usually I have the weight on 45.4 kilograms and 100 pounds. So first things first, I'm gonna take the bar just like this, just as normal, and add the weight on lower than what usually I do. It's on 70 pounds right now, but I'm showing you guys something, showing you guys a lesson right here. So that's why I had it lower. So I'm gonna take it down, bring it down just like this as normally is what. It's all right to have your knees resting on these types of, on these things right here, depending on how hard you do it. So if you have it on a heavier weight than usual, you can put your knees on this. I mean, it's kind of cheating a little bit, but it's fine, you're still working out. But if you don't have your knees on this and you have it on like a lighter weight or something, then that's gonna make it harder if you have it on your regular weight. But usually on regular weights, people always have their knees on this. So you always stand up on your setup. You never don't wanna bring it down like this. That puts too much pressure for your back. You want to start standing up like this and then bring it down just like this. And while you're doing it, I want to go up and down just like this. And I'm trying to bring it down as the lowest I want to go is like this. So that's why I have it on less weight right now, because you don't want to hold the bar down too long when it's heavy, because that's bad for yourself. But you want to bring it down right below your chin, where your chin is. And then you bring it up just like this, and you want to bring it back almost all the way. So you see the black bar, that's right here. You see that? That's just how it holds it to stop it. And you want to watch that thing. You want to bring it up almost all the way just like this, and then bring it down just like this. You can bring it back down as fast as possible, but not too fast, not like that. That's not really much of a workout. You're not training as much. But if you bring it down slower, you're working out more. And what I mean by that is you're training your muscles more. But on the way up, I see a lot of people just bring it up just like this. We don't want that. Or they'll tend to just hold it and then bring it down. Or hold it down and then bring it up, or hold it up or bring it down. That's not what we want. We want this. So once again, set up like this, bring it down, and then almost bring it up all the way down to your chin, just below your chin, and up slow, and then down, up slow, almost all the way, and then back down. Just like this. And you always want to keep your head up too, and your chest facing up too, just like when I'm moving. That's the hardest part for me, is keeping the chest up. Just one reminder, you want to stand up once you're putting it back up, just like this when it's resting. And some lat pull downs have a bar on top just like this, but not all of them. That doesn't matter. So once again, I usually have the weight on 45.4 kilograms and 100 pounds. And I usually do like 20 reps of those. This will help you get your arms stronger. So you can just do your muscles like this. When we do this, we usually call this Gotti. Like when we hit a good golf shot in golf, or scoring a great goal in soccer. That's when I go Gotti. That's my celebration. So just one quick thing that I want to show you guys real quick. I've been talking about the Lose the Weight book. I don't know which video that was in, but might as well show you the book right now. So So here is what the book looks like, just like this. If you want to make sure, I suggest checking out this book right here. It has all the information on how to do weights properly and how to do them right. And this is on the back, this is my dad right here. He made this book. So I don't know if I ever told you guys this. He was in college for 11 years and he really knows anatomy. He knows every parts of the body, knows every muscle, every bone, everything. And he was a physical therapist once. So that's why he wrote this book. He would teach people how to do weights. So if you want to know how to do French press, triceps, here are all the steps on how to do it right here. And the picture right here of what it looks like. So has all these things that you can learn about in this book. So if you want to buy this book, I got no idea where you can buy this book. I'll have to ask my dad about it. And then one day I'll let you guys know where you can buy these kind of books. But if you want to take a picture of this book right now, then you can maybe ChatGPT it or AI it, or where you can get it. I'm not sure if they'll know. So if you want to know more stuff about workouts, check out this book right here. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, if you did, make sure you smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.